So I don't know how to do, like, I'm not gonna say that I don't know how to do my makeup. I'm just gonna say that I am what is before beginner, because I wanna be a great one. I wanna be a great one. I wanna make $1 million. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Tonie.Wan. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and if you are returning, I'm still Tonie.Wan and ditto. I don't know how to do, like, I'm not gonna say that I don't know how to do my makeup. I'm just gonna say that I am what is before beginner, because that's kind of what I am. I'm not gonna say that I'm bad either, because there have been, like, I've done my makeup like twice, and I've gone out with it on, and like people just like they like it, but it's just like I've never done a full face. So today, excluding my eyebrows and my eyelashes, so technically not a full face, because I might end up looking stupid after this. But if I do my eyebrows, I just don't want to look any more stupid than I'm gonna look. So well, I'm not gonna do my eyebrows because I might look really kind of crazy after this, and I don't want to spike my chances up of looking even more crazier after, with my eyebrows looking like freaking bricks sitting on my face. So I'm gonna be following a makeup tutorial from somebody. I gotta search it. This is my makeup routine on a daily basis, but the amount of makeup that I have enough to do something with. This is like all of my makeup, and I feel like most people that know me will probably not expect me to have that much. Cannot for the life of me pronounce the word probably. Like any video, I promise you, any video that I have me saying the word probably, I had to edit it out, and then I had to retake me saying the word probably. And then the second to last video, I actually had to stop talking and had to sound the word out, because I cannot, I don't know, it's just the two B's that kind of make me blah, 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 blah. So let's get into the video. It's habitual for me to eat something while I watch videos, like any type of tutorial. I don't okay.
Where it's more high-end, because I feel like that's what works best for me. Now, some products in drugstore.
So she's doing her eyebrows, and like I said, I'm not going to be doing my eyebrows because I have no experience in doing my eyebrows, and this is going on the internet for everybody to see, and I just think my eyebrows are cool enough. My eyebrows, they're...
So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and conceal my eyes. As you guys can see, my eyes are very, very dark. I do have dark circles.
Okay, first of all, I don't know if she moisturized or not, but I have to moisturize my skin because I was told to moisturize. So moisturize, because first of all, I have dry skin, and last thing I need is like drier skin from makeup. And if y'all like keep seeing me look down, there's a camera like right there, and I'm just looking at the camera, guys. I'm just looking at the camera.
Use underneath my brow right here. I'm gonna be taking
this is my concealer. Her concealer is like on a palette. I got this from MAC, and it was like it's a lot. She like conceal all the way up here. I don't want to conceal over it.
So what we're going to be using today is I'm going to be using my foundation. I already primed my face. So we're going to be using the Wet n Wild.
Oh, I didn't prime my face.
What it is these two foundations.
I didn't even prime my face. So now I gotta get all this off face. This is the primer that I'm using. I'm using an E.L.F primer that I got from, I think, Walmart. It's like really close, so it's like can't really see it. doesn't really have anything on it. It just said E.L.F on it. How do I know it's a primer? Because when I bought it, it said primer on the box, guys. I'm gonna prime my face now. I think like one thing that I bought like multiple like products of. I bought a lot, like 3 different primers, because at one point I was looking for like some like type of white base so that I could be able to do like bright colors on my eyelids, because they don't really, you know, show, because, you know, I'm dark skin. So like, she's doing foundation, and this is my foundation, the CoverGirl TruBlend. And I didn't even pick this out. Pablo picked it out. So he did like a really good job, because cool.
Good. And mixed together.
Okay, now she's going in with her foundation. So now I'm gonna go with my foundation. Okay, so now we're concealing again. I'm just doing where she does hers. She has a lot of concealer, but I mean, conceal the nose all the way up there. Maybe I should have drew a mustache. Oh. This is basically like using like half of the concealer, and this is like $18. So now I see why you guys spend so much money on makeup, because you use half of it like once. Okay, I'm gonna set my face now. I don't think I'm doing this right, but YOLO. Should I be using a smaller brush for this? That would make the most sense for me to use a smaller brush. If I didn't look ashy before, I look ashy now. I forgot where I put concealer at this whole time. Where's all the concealer? There's like setting powder all over our laptop. What is the purpose of setting powder also? I don't. Is it supposed to make your makeup like brighter? I'm like really close to the camera. Nope, still look ashy. Contour. I feel like I look extremely dry. This looks like this looks like concealer. So maybe I should have got a contour thing that is a little darker. Now we're blushing. I have a blush. I feel like I'm getting ready for the opera. Now we're highlighting. I'm not at that part, man. I'm not at the highlighting stage yet. Use this illuminate. It looks like a highlight, so I'm gonna use it. So she did it like here. Here. At least I did one thing right. Now we're on to the eyelids, and I'm gonna use this between Sunflower and Carnation. And it looks like she's going in with what looks like a concealer for her lids. And I have this Smashbox lid primer, so I'm gonna go in with it. I had a highlight fan this whole time and did not know. So let's try this highlight again. Does that look better? I think I did something almost right. I'm not sure, guys. I'm really not sure. Am I freaking out? Just a little bit, because I feel like I look like an ashy Oscar. That's what I feel like I look like. I have a MAC lip liner that I'm going to be using. This doesn't have the shade on. Oh, it says Dionysus. That's the shade. The shade is Dionysus. If you don't know who Dionysus is, he's like the god of being drunk and wine and stuff. So, perfect color. What? She's using concealer? Okay. I'm gonna show you guys her look, and I'm gonna show you guys my look. This is her look, and this is my look. So I feel very ashy right now, and I'm never doing this again on camera. I'll embarrass myself off camera, because I honestly thought that I was gonna do way better than this, because I've been practicing a little bit, but I haven't been practicing doing like a full face. So like now I look really stupid and really ashy. So I'm gonna go put on some moisturizer. Yeah, I'll just see you guys next video. Thanks for tuning in.